On the shot clock, regalado sa pilya, sisid kung sisid na! First five ng team ng Municipality of Nara, the Kapitan John Michael Pitugo, number 89, at makakasama yung batang Amparado, number 23, jersey number 9 Javis Amor, jersey number 30 Salvacion, and jersey number 13 Faith Regalado for Team Nara. Yan po yung first five ng Team Nara. And our first five for team of hometown Municipality of Quezon. Ang starter ng Quezon, Mahilom, the big boy. Jersey number 18, Sausa. Jersey number 7, Sevilla. Jersey number 31, Mahinay. And jersey number 2, the team captain, Baltar. Nakakasama itong number 31, Mahinay, Sausa, Sevilla, Mahilom at Baltar. Makakalaban ang Salvacion, Javis Amor, John Michael Pitugo, Regalado at yung Amparado, number 23. The ball is up. Time is on. Let's get it on. Let's play again. Some basketball. Titignan natin sa laruan ng team ng Nara laban sa team ng hometown Munisipyo Quezon. Bada Baltar, number 2. Ibibigay ng batang Mahilom sa team captain Baltar. For team of green shirt, number 7, Sevilla and Titimon. We have only 9 minutes and 40 seconds. This is a game for team of Quezon. Up against for team Nara, number 2, floater by Baltar. No! Javis Amor yung kukuha ng offensive board. John Michael Pitugo, not good. Battle for rebound, but big boy Mahilom. But number 18, Sausa yung makakadampot. Bibigay sa big boy. At yung John Michael Pitugo, gumagapang at tumatayo para sa grupo ng Team Nara. Bang! 2 points. Nino. The little dynamite for team of Municipality of Quezon. Sevilla, no. Baltar, perimeter jumper. Boom! Good for 2 points. Ball by stolen for John Michael. Sending for number 23, Amparado lays. 2 points. Amparado. Para sa ating last game ngayong gabi na ginaganap dito sa napakagandang Big Dome. 3 points for Baltar. Parang alam na mga supporters ng team ng Quezon. Pero yung reverse shot ng batang Regalado. Ang Ronald Tube ng Munisipyong Nara, sending for Javis Amor. Kick out, Faith Regalado, tatapon ng 3. Bang! 3-point. Number 18, Sausa, tinitigan pa! Good for 2 points for Sausa. Stolen for John Michael Pitugo para sa team ng Nara. Bang! Sumabay ka ba? Huwag ka lang malikot! John Michael Pitugo, the scientist Einstein. Good for 2 points, Murade! For John Michael Pitugo, number 89, pass break for number 23, Amparado. Good! For 2 points for Nino Amparado. Yung malaking mamang tubong Orduhanon, muling pumukol ng dalawahan para maiahon yung mga tropang Naranon. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. But jersey number 2, step back Baltar, fade away, short. Offensive board, Mahilom, floater. Good for 2 points for Mahilom. Angat pa rin sa 10 points. Muraldes, sending for Aplacador, number 11. Kick out for Einstein from the top of the K-wall. Pang! Punit kung punit! Free ball! Sending for number 24, Moralde floater. Not good. Talunan. Moralde Einstein. Wala pa rin. Sa kanya pa rin. Offensive board. We have only 43 seconds. Call for a jump ball. Grabe. Lahat pumipiga at walang gustong bumitaw. Shot clock. Quezon Basketball. Depensa Team Nara. Offensa Team Quezon. 2 points for Baltar again. Quezon para sa mga batang Quezonians. Number 0. Basketball out. At may kaubat pa foul. We have only 6 minutes to go. 31-35. Mahilom pass, break pass. Good for 2 points for Mahilom. Of Nara. Nasa second quarter pa lang tayo ng paglalaro. Pero ganito na yung natutunghayan sa kasalukuyan. 4 minutes and 30. Number 2 Baltar. 5 for 3. Ball! Labag na po. Yung 35 seconds. We have only 10 seconds shot clock. Nice combination. 2 points for Big Boy. Mahilom. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Sa team ng munisipyo Nara. At maagang papakawala ng tatluan. We have only 8 minutes to go. Salvacion, nasa siko ng free throw. Battle for rebound. Taken for Team of Quezon. Baltar, layup. Yes, sir! Number 2, Baltar. Inside pass. Wala pa rin. Couple of pass again. Yes, sir! Agawan sa buko, number 7. Baltar ang layup. Yes, sir! Lamang na po ang team ng Quezon. 57 Nara laban sa team ng Quezon. Number 7 sa Villalay. No! Pero disgrasya. 5-point lead. John Michael. Bang! Hindi pa tapos yung kwento ng group. Lupiano penetration. Nilipat pa sa kabila. John Michael, stolen sa Villa. Sisid kung sisid na. Pinadive na yung bola. Number 2 Baltar. Good for 2 points. And timeout for team of Municipality of Nara. Hey Rindon. 74-83 our running score. Pitugo, nice pass! Basketball cup at may kauban pa foul! What a shot! One free throw for Hey Rindon. Agaw ng Team Nara, number 10, Moralde side step. Bang! Basketball out at may kauban pa foul! 5 minutes and 10 seconds, 79-86. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Einstein, John Michael, bang! 3 points! 3 points for John Michael Pitugo. Nangyari na yon. Agad humingi ng dispensa yung John Michael Pitugo para sa grupo ng Team Nara. Pero for that play, napituhan ng technical for John Michael Pitugo for Team Nara for taunting. Kick out, number 3, Mahilom the big boy. Good for 2 points, the big boy ng Nara. 3 minutes to go. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Regalado. There's a foul for number 3. Hard foul for number 3 for Team Quezon. 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Bumabagsak yung batang Regalado ng Team Nara. Two minutes and 55 seconds remaining time ng Team Nara. Alio for Aplacador. Iikot. 2 points. Aplacador. 4-point lead. Good for 2 points for Baltar. Grabe. Yung batang Baltar. #85-91. Pero yung team captain Baltar ng Team Quezon. One minute and 47 seconds. Aplacador, sending for Einstein Moralde. Attack, layup. Good for 2 points. 45. Pass break. Sevilla. Double fake. No. 40 seconds. 87-91. Kick out. Hey. 35 seconds. Einstein Moralde. Kick out. Amparado. No. We have only 25 seconds. Nice steal. Hey. Moralde. Bang! 1-point lead. Grabe. 1-point lead. Pwedeng mangyari for the last 15 seconds na natitira. Mahilom. Not good. Last 15 seconds, 90-91. Wala! But goal for last touch. Ano bang pwedeng mangyari for the last 15 seconds? 90-91, 1-point lead for Team of Quezon. Isang puntos lamang to mga kaibigan. We have only 14. We have only 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, Pitugo, no! And that's the end. Last and a final quarter of the game. Congratulations for Team of Municipality of Quezon. Bukas po, magkita-kita tayo dyan sa bayan ng Rizal.